Hello there, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Here in this particular video I'll show you how to buy American shares from Nigeria using an app called Bamboo Invest. Now the reason I'm making this video is just because someone left a comment in one of the videos I made on how they can actually buy shares from Nigeria, American shares to be precisely from Nigeria, using the app. So I'll just show you a quick video on how to do this. Now, quick disclaimer, I've never used this app to actually buy shares because I use a different app entirely. However, I'm just doing this for those of you back in Nigeria that want to buy shares from America using this app. Before I do that, I will encourage you, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell and smash the like button. So I'll be using my phone to actually do this, and I'll switch and show you what it's like. As a quick login, as you can see, my account is 0. This is because I do not actually use this app. I'm only doing this just to educate someone out there. I registered and I'll just show you how to do it. My account is 0. Now, it has a very lovely interface, to be honest with yourself. Like, you can see what's going on, feature stock. They tell you recent news on what's really going on in the stock market. You have where you can actually put your watch list, like build stock you want to invest in, and you can learn with the app, learn about stock investing and a whole lot. And you have your profile here. Like I said, my account is 0. If you need to deposit, they have a minimum limit of $20 for you to start investing. So with $20 you can buy a whole lot of stock. Now this is it. So if you want to buy a particular stock with this app, all you need to do is come to the search bar here, and you have your Apple, Amazon, Disney. If you have a particular one you're thinking about buying, you can actually use the search bar to key in the ticker symbol or the name of the organization for you to buy. But let's say we want to buy Apple right now. So Apple closed $164.85. The market is not open yet, so that's why you're not seeing movement. But this is how you can actually buy. You can read about Apple, what's really going on in the market, and before you make your decision. Now, if you click on the buy button, it gives you 3 different options. You have the buy now, buy when price decreases, and buy when price increases. Now, just to break it down for yourself, the buy now means you're buying at the market value itself, what the market is actually selling for right now. So that's what the buy now actually indicates. And when they say buy when price decreases, it means you're setting a limit order. Now, there are 2 ways you can actually set a limit order. You can either set it for the day, or you can set it for the goods to clear. So if you set it for the day, it means that if you're buying with a limit order, which is when the price increases, you're actually telling the system, the algorithm, that you want to buy this particular stock when the price comes down to a particular point. Let's say Apple is actually selling for $164.85 and you feel it's too expensive for you. You want to buy Apple at the price of $150. You can actually set a limit that when the price decreases down to $150, you should buy 10 stock at that price, which means you're willing to spend $1,500, considering commissions and everything. You're willing to spend $1,500 for Apple stock for you to actually buy 10 of that stock. So that is the idea with buy when the price decreases. Now, they have buy when the price increases, which I don't understand why they should have that. Like, it's funny, why will I buy when the price is actually going up? In my head, the best way is for me to buy when the price is coming down, or the worst case scenario, buy at the market price itself. Now, this is investing, yeah? So that's just how to buy using the app Bamboo Invest. So that's it for this video. If you're new to my channel, I'll encourage you to please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell and smash the like button. Please share this video and let's get this community growing. Thank you very much and have yourself a wonderful day. Bye now.